All right, so let's see an illustration of the shortest substring problem. Remember, we are maintaining a frequency map. This is telling me how many times does the letter A, B, and C occur in this substring. So we start with left and right at, let's say, 0. Clearly, there's one A, 0, 0. So this is a situation where I need to search more. I need to expand. I do expand, so I find 1, 1, 0. I expand further because I still haven't found my C. So I expand further. I find, okay, it's become 2, 1, 0 because there are two A's, one B. I expand further, it becomes three A's. Notice A, B, A, A. So three A's, one B. So that's 310. I further expand because I still haven't found my C. I further expand where I've got to, let's say, A, B, A, A, A. So that's 410. I further expand and I find, okay, I did find my C. So this is a situation where sort of I have gone above the target because notice I've got four of those here, right? So, but this could be a potential window anyway, so I just say, okay, at this point of time, let me start contracting to see if there's a shorter window that occurred out there. So I contract, I find it's 311. I contract further, but oops, I lost my B. So which is again became 301, which means time for me to expand and search further. I expand and find there's a B, so 311. So this is clearly a better answer than this. But then, since I have met the situation, I go and contract the window. I contract the window, I find, okay, it's 211. So I found an even better string. I contract it further and I do find my 111, which is this ACB, right? So remember, the order did not matter, exactly one occurrence, right? So in some sense, at this point, I could stop because we know for this problem that this is the shortest window. It can't be less than 3. However, we move further because then let's say the problem statement is find all such subarrays, right? So with our rule, remember this is a situation where we have become equal. So yes, we have found a solution, but then I will expand my right to continue searching further, right? So I expand my right, it becomes 112. Hence I contract, it becomes 012 because A is missing. So I must expand. It's 022 because two C's and two B's. 032. So, two C's and three B's. I must expand and expand I do. So it becomes 132. I've reached the end of the string, but the algorithm won't stop. In fact, I will go and contract because notice 132. I contract becomes 131. I further contract becomes 121. I say that, okay, I'm going to contract further. It becomes 120. There's no C in this. Now algorithm must terminate because there's really nowhere to go, right? So once this has happened, there's no point for me to go further. So algorithm terminates. So very, very, very similar to how the shortest, let's say, subarray adding up to the target worked. Do think about it and happy to discuss. This illustration is, basically going to guide us in the way we write our code, and hence it's important to understand this. Yeah. So take care. Do look at our website www.ybyte.in because we have a lot of such content, and enjoy programming. Take care. Thank you so much. Bye bye.